Hi, this is Lex Nin, and welcome. Don your helmet, charge your blaster, and prepare for an epic odyssey through the Unity Galaxy. Today, we will embark on a journey through the way of reusable components. Reusable component is a component that can be reused not just in different places in a single game, but in many games. Let's think of our custom components as a box with inputs and outputs. And the box represents the processing unit of the component, and the inputs are the values that need to be processed and outputted as a result. Let's now examine our simple custom component. As input, we have created dependency of the AI path component. We could use the getComponent method, but the preferable way is to have a visual of dependencies and data flow, especially after some time, and especially if you work in a team. We can just drag and drop the dependencies and hit play. Everything works perfect. But is this your way? If we better look at our code as input to our component, we actually use desired velocity X and Y properties of the AI path component. Let's make two inputs of float type. This way we can reuse this same component with any other component which has float outputs, not just with an AI path component. Let's try now to drag and drop our AI path component. We can. Okay, let's change floats inputs to Unity field class of type flow. This class will enable us to associate any public property of an instance. Now we can drag the AI path component and select desired velocity X and Y. This way we remove direct component dependency and data flow visibility is preserved. We can optimize the component's usability by utilizing primitive types or Unity types, encapsulating data structures within scriptable objects, or employing interfaces as inputs. Let's see how we can utilize interfaces to make our component to be reusable with more components. Instead of having direct dependency of the AI path component, let's incorporate the serialized interface of A* AI as input. Instead of direct access to referenced instance, serialized interface wrapper class instance property is used. This approach enables us to use both the APath and MyAuthor APath custom components, as well as any other components that implement the A* AI interface. As you can see, you can drag and drop different components following same contract. Hard coding and using static data can limit the reusability of components. It's common to encounter hard-coded animation parameter names. To address this issue, let's define two input string properties and implement a custom property drawer to make them dynamic. and that we have two more inputs through which we can select which animation parameter we want to set. Let's take it a step further. To track the progress, I've crafted the final version of the component. We'll create an array of a generic serializable class. Now I have the flexibility to map any input to animator parameters. And we will create two array elements for each key value map. Select animation parameter as key and select reference for value. We transformed a specialized component into a more versatile and reusable way of handling animations. Find additional info in the description below. Like and subscribe to support this channel.
This is the